Hi everybody, we're very much looking forward to welcoming you back to Farmer Palmer's. There have been lots of changes and here are some of them.
So on the 4th of July we're going to be open for pass holders only, and I know we've been talking to lots of you, and you go in via your annual pass sign in, and then general public, everybody, you can all come back from Saturday the 11th. And we've got certain things in place. We've got morning sessions, we've got afternoon sessions, online ticketing, and everything you need to know about will be on our website. We're paying particular attention to making sure everything is clean, tidy. You've got hand sanitizers everywhere, new hand washing stations, and we've looked at the flow and how everything works on the ground to try and make everything as enjoyable. And the best bit is it's not going to be so busy.
The Hen House Cafe will be open for food. We're going to serve a breakfast, lunch, afternoon tea offering. So please do come and help us by buying food in the restaurant, because the more customers we have buying in the restaurant, the more staff we can bring back from furlough and help the whole business run. We've made lots and lots of changes, and we look forward to you seeing all the changes and then give us some feedback on what you think.
I don't want the Palmers. Hi, Sarah. There? Yay! Yahoo! Orange cows! Moo! Yeah! I love to get in. I'll play a tractor. I'll red tractor. I'll red tractor.
Hi there, have you been before?
Yes, we have.
Have you got your tickets with you?
I'll do, yeah.
That's great. If you want to head on in and park anywhere apart from the end row, which is where pedestrians will walk, but anywhere else is great.
Okay, lovely.
Thank you.
Hiya. So if you'd like to walk up here, that bit's all blocked off for pedestrians. The left-hand side is non-annual pass holders and the right-hand side is annual pass holders. Lovely. Thank you. Come on then.
new animal demonstration barn. We have space there for doing some demonstrations and some hand washing facilities over there. And here we have our Ladybug hand sanitizing unit. It's new, so we'll see how it goes. Put your hand underneath and it dollops on your hand. It doesn't always work like that, I can tell you. Is a hand sanitizing unit called the Ladybug. You put your hand under the Ladybug and it doesn't work.
Clear our trays, we have a bin set up outside, and recycling, 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 crisp packets, not recycling as they're foil, general waste, cutlery, general waste. Trays can go straight onto the trolley.
In the restaurant, we'll be using a viricide spray on all of the tables and the chairs to keep it sanitised and clean. And we'll collect the trays once they're clear to take them to the restaurant to be sanitised through our washer.
tired and going home and you can get some quality adult time to leave the farm park, the new way is you have two choices. You can use the exit through the shop, which you would normally, and we're also going to open up the entrance, because there will be nobody else coming in at that time of day, so you can fast track through there. And we'll tell you about shopping. If you want to come in during the time you're here, so that we've got less people in the shop and give you a chance to have a look at everything that they've been missing, then please pop in at any time between your 9 and 1 session or your 2 and 5:30 session, because the girls would love to show you what they've got. Bye!